Hi guys, and welcome back to the craft table. The totally messy paint covered craft table. It doesn't look it now, it's because I just spent an hour cleaning it up. But this is my new craft table. Last week after my second or third pour, I can't remember which one of my videos, I asked for color suggestions. Give me your 3 favorite colors. Well, the first one to pop up was a friend of mine, and she asked for orange, magenta, and green. Well, tell you right now, orange is not my favorite. Turns everything to mud, for me anyway. But I did find some bright orange by Deco Art, and yes, this has been around quite a while. Some more old paint. I'm trying to use up all my old paint. Some folk art enamels in magenta. And then from Apple Barrel, I have some new shamrock. And this is not as old as the rest of them. So it's a fairly clean bottle. And of course my normal black and white. And these are Artist Loft already mixed with the Flotrol. I love these squirt bottle things. And because I really wanted to try for cells, I got the Spot On Treadmill belt lubricant. It's 100% silicone. This is not the only thing you can use. Anything that says 100% silicone, you can get it in sprays, a liquid. Check it out. It's so much fun. So I put these colors on a canvas and prayed for cells, and I gotta show you what I got. Shall we check it out? And there you have it. My first silicone cell. And surprisingly to me, the colors just turned gorgeous. Yes, even the orange. And it starts out so pretty and so bright, and then kind of fades into the earthy looking, which is a nice word for mud, but it fits. It fits the picture. To me, it looks like a meteor storm in Technicolor. It's just amazing. So, and I hope she really likes it. I know I do. So, I really want to thank you guys and for taking the time out of your day to spend that little bit of time with me. And I hope you found something you enjoyed. So give you a little bit of inspiration and get that imagination going. And I want to ask, do you have favorite colors you want me to try? A technique that you've seen that you want me to try? An idea? You know me, I am up for just about anything. Please, no orange. Yeah. And really, really hope that I see you again soon. Don't forget to click the subscribe. Hit the like if you think I did okay. And hit the bell so you get that little reminder saying, oh, she's gone and done it again. You guys have a great week, and I promise I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.